guys to another video in which we will show you how can you use HTML to Pro with AI with integration of Neocities so that you can make and update your Neocite app within the application itself. So the first step is you need to install this app from Play Store. Make sure you download our app HTML Pro with AI, this 10 MB application in your device. So let's wait until the app gets downloaded. Yeah, so you can now see the application has been downloaded successfully. Now just open this application in your mobile device and wait it to get loaded. Now this you will get some interface like this. For the different screens it's may be different. So either you can go to settings from here and save your API key, or just do one thing, just click here and let's make a let's say file test.html. So you have to make a new file, let's say file test.html, then click on next and just wait while it gets loaded into editor. Now you can see the code editor has been opened. Now you can click here to see the output of your code, right? And you can here make changes as per you like. So for now let's do one thing. Let me just don't let me not make any change here. You can see the code is working fine. Now yeah, so just click here on this toolbar icon. Now you can see an option like host on Neocities. Just click here. As soon as you will click here, it will open a page something like this, where it will ask you to enter your username and here the API key. Now to get these two details, just come on your home page, then open your browser and here search Neocities. Okay, now you can see our first website, neocities.organization. Open this one. It's totally free for all, no matter if you are making for personal use or business use. So you have to write your username here. Make sure that the website username is unique because this is only what you have to use inside the application. So for our case, let me write it like HTML editor pro test. Right. Now just copy this one. Done. Now you can here choose your topics. Let's say my interest is in coding. Now you have to write a password here. So let's do one thing. For now, let me make a password like test at 123. It's really basic password. For showing you, I just wrote it here. Make sure you use a better password. Now here the email ID you want to use. Here it's not important that you will have to use the email you use for this application. You can use any email here. I am using this one. Right. Now just sign up on this. Yeah, you can now see we have got our first website here. If you can see here, just ignore these things. We are on. Now choose here the free plan. This is 1 GB storage and 2 GB bandwidth. That's more than enough for per month. Continue with this one. Then it will ask you to verify your email. To verify, uh, let me see if we have the mail one. So let me please verify this one. Correct. Now once you verify this one, it will show you some tutorials. You can go through them. It will be beneficial for you too. Else just do one thing. Come back on this application, and if you remember, I have told you to copy the username and remember it that one. Uh, just go to settings. Then here you can find an option like this Neocities config. Open this one here. Paste your username. As soon as you will paste your username, you will get a unique URL to get your API key. Just tap on this and it will open the Chrome browser or whatever browser you are using, right? So for now, it's asking me to complete this. Let me complete this, or let me do one thing. Let me use another account of mine, or let me better do this in front of you. It will be beneficial for you too. So it's asking what's your first name. Next. Uh, okay. Change. Let me just make it hello. Then add adding H1. Now it's asking us to use P tag. Now a link. Uh, I think we can't. So let me just. I'm showing you this because it's necessary before making an account here. Because Neocities basic for students. Acharya, then FCTV. Google. Okay. Yeah, so you can finally see after completing all these steps, we have got our free website. If I open this one, it says thank you. Now you can go to get dashboard. Yeah, our first website is ready with no content actually. So you need not to worry. Just come back to the app. Then you can see again the URL is here that you want. Click here. It will open the browser. Now you can directly generate an API key from here. Let me generate one. Then just copy this. Then go back to the app and here paste this. Now once you paste this, just click on the save icon on the button, right? Now come back. You can see we have file that we have made earlier. Let me do one thing. Let me just make index file, index.html. Now we have an index file made over here. Now let me show you the current website that we have. If I go to then here set sorry edit edit the this is the main page of the website. Now if you see the code here, it's something like this, and if you open the output, then you can see our website has content like some. You can see the code here, just this much, a link to Google homepage and a list icon, right? But in the application, if we run the code, we have got the default template of the application showing welcome to Estimator Pro, the best app to code HTML and Android. Just wait for that to finish. Then let me show how can you just push this code on a working directory so that your website will go live without zero payment, all for free, using your phone itself. Yeah, so you have seen the output. Now just click on this post on new sites, and as soon as you will click, yeah, you can see now the website has been hosted. You can either open the website directly or copy the link or close. For our case, let me open the website, and you can see now the website is hosted. You can see here the earlier code was this output was this, and our code was something like you have seen and link to Google and some as now, but it's not changed. If I refresh it, wait a minute. Yeah, wait a minute. Actually, let me refresh this one. It's actually same one. Maybe because of caches or slow speed, but yeah, you can see here the domain is same. No other file here, and if I show you for this one, here also the domain is same. Maybe it's because of caching. So that's how you can host your free website. And also if you want to, let's say I want to this remove this part. Okay, let me just remove this specific paragraph. Now if I run this code, you will see just we have an heading here, and we just have an heading And if I go to this page, you can see for now we have this paragraph also. But if what if I want to update this page, so the file name remains the same. Just added this one, run and see if the output is correct or not, and again come back here and tap on host on new sites. It will again upload. Now you can see if I refresh this, I feel there's some issues right now. If I open here, I feel there are some issues, or maybe there's some with this. I can't actually delete this one. So let me do one thing. Do these same experiments with this one. Let me show you again. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have just 5 files here, and when I will push this one, you can see we have another file got updated in this path in the root. And if I refresh it, now you can see we have another file called file test.html, and if I open it, you will see the same content here. Now let's try doing some edits in this, and let me just remove the paragraph and run this. Now you can see the paragraph has been removed, and if I again tap on host on new sites, it will start uploading. And once the upload is done, just come back to this website and refresh it once. You can see the file content got updated. Now you can't see the paragraph tag, and if I try to inspect, we can't actually inspect it. But yeah, that's how the new update works, and you can maintain the whole website all with this single application, right? And other than this, as you know, we have other features like this one, public coding projects. You can download the projects other made and host on your server. And this one, the AI one, you can use this one to ask AI to make a website for you. Right, so that's all for today. Hope you like the concept of the application. If you like, then you can download the application from the description box. Have a nice day. Happy coding.